In today's video, I'm going to show you how you break up your content into chapters on YouTube. Hi, I'm Mark, and if this is your first time here, have a word with yourself and hit the subscribe button. So last week I put out the longest video I've ever done on Tuesday Tech Tips. This week I'm going to show you how you take that video and break it into chapters on YouTube. So if you're ready, let's jump in. Okay, so we're back to the video from last week where I showed you how to create After Effects style transitions using only PowerPoint. And the video was over 20 minutes long. It's a really long video. I would never normally make one that long. But what we can see here is that YouTube has split the video into different chapters. So we've got each of the transitions here, the bubble effect, the shape burst, and the text reveal. Now, how did we do it? It's really simple. If you go down to the video's details here and go to show more, you can see that we've got it broken into chapters just here. And all I had to do was create timestamps for each of the sections. So I went through the video, found where I was at, say 4 minutes 11 there, and would type in 4:11 and then give it a title. Now, to get it to work, you have to have the 0.00 start. It has to say that, otherwise it won't go into chapters. So as long as you've got the 00 start and you've got the timestamps for each section, then it will appear at the bottom of the video. It's only the text that appears directly alongside the timestamp that will show when you hover over. So that's how you can break your videos into chapters on YouTube. I'll see you next time for another Tuesday Tech Tip. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you break up your YouTube videos. In today's Tuesday Tech Tip, I'm going to show you how you... Hi, I'm Mark. Welcome to Tuesday Tech Tips. If this is your first time here, then have a word with yourself. Hi, I'm Mark, and if this is your first time here, then have a word with yourself and subscribe.